Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another St. Patrick's Day makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please keep on watching. I'm gonna prep my eyes with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, and I'm pressing this in with my finger to my entire lid. From the James Charles palette, I'm taking Ring Light and highlighting my brow bone with that. Now I'm taking the shade Social Blade with my Morphe M514, and I'm adding that to the crease and blending it up. And after that, I'm picking up Daddy with my Morphe M507 brush, and I'm concentrating this closer to the crease. And also notice how I'm dragging out the shadow to create the wing. Now I have my MAC 217 brush to blend out the edge. I'm going to take Spooky on an e.l.f. defining eye brush, and I'm concentrating that in the crease. And then I'm taking my Morphe M507 to blend it into the green. And guys, remember that there is so much going back and forth with colors to make them the right pigmentation. To cut out my crease, I'm using the Maybelline Master Concealer and my Morphe M170 brush. Now I'm taking Flashback to set the concealer. Here I have the Maybelline Master Concealer once again with my Morphe M250 brush, and I'm creating the wing with that. Now I'm taking Flashback on my Morphe R45 brush, and I'm adding that to the tail. And with the same brush, I'm taking Social Blade, and I'm adding that next to the white. And now we're bringing in Daddy. On the inner lash, I'm taking in Spooky, and please make sure to blend out the colors. Since the white wasn't standing out like I wanted it to, I'm taking this eyeliner that I got in Mexico and I'm adding it to the tail. Then I blended in a little more of Social Blade. And here I'm just smoking out the lower lash line with Social Blade and Daddy. To highlight, I'm using Ring Light once again. I'm taking my Lit Cosmetics glitter in the shade Margarita in the size number 3 and my Maybelline Clear Mascara. Then I'm adding that to the tear duct using my NYX Dual Silicone Applicator. I'm curling my lashes with our MAC Eyelash Curler, and then I'm adding a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes. I'm tie-lining my eyes with my NYX Eye Pencil in Jet Black. And for my waterline, I'm using my LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the shade Limelight. And I'm still using my Eyelure lashes in the style Marquise. Okay guys, and there you go, and honestly I am super obsessed with the liner. It took some time and patience, but honestly it wasn't too hard and it came out so bomb. I really want to do this look again with some different colors, and I'm super excited to try that out. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe before you guys head out.